Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here because your Miele cooktop is flashing the F32 error code on the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This common issue often relates to problems with the temperature sensor or overheating, which can stop your cooking in its tracks. But don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that you can do at home. Let's dive in and get your kitchen back up and running. First off, safety is always our top priority. Before you touch anything, make sure to turn off your cooktop and unplug it from the wall. This prevents any electrical risks and gives you a safe starting point. Once that's done, take a moment to inspect the cooktop. Look for any visible dirt, spills, or blockages around the vents and sensors. A quick clean with a soft cloth and mild detergent might just resolve the error. It's amazing how often a simple wipe down does the trick. If cleaning doesn't help, let's try resetting the device. Unplug the cooktop and leave it for at least 5 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. Plug it back in, turn it on, and see if the F32 code has disappeared. If it persists, you might need to check the sensor connections. Carefully open the control panel if you're comfortable. Refer to your user manual for guidance, but if you're not handy with electronics, skip this and move on to professional help. In some cases, the F32 error could indicate a faulty part that needs replacement. Contact Miele customer support or a certified technician for further diagnosis. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty, so it's better to be safe than sorry. There you have it. Easy steps to tackle the F32 error and get back to whipping up your favorite meals. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more appliance fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.